Welcome to a Goody Reader official unboxing video. My name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Today we have something very special. We have the worldwide exclusive for the eOneBook dual screen manga reader by Progress Technologies in Japan. It is unknown whether this is the final retail packaging because this isn't actually available to purchase yet.
So looking at the front of the box, you have Progress Technologies, and this basically says Zenkan Isatsu, which means the whole version of one book, like wholly one book, essentially. So the box is black on black so far. This may change in the future. So you have a little insert there, and then it dives straight into the manga itself here. So you do get a little bit of some safety information, and it is written in English and Japanese, of course, because English is such an internationally relevant language. Now here's the manga itself, and you might be thinking, wow, that's just a manga. And well, that's basically the point. You'll see it here that they are using real paper. In fact, real paper. And the sleeve, or the book cover, is in fact a real book cover.
It sits on your bookshelf along with your other manga, and when it's slotted into your bookshelf, you would never know that this is actually a piece of technology.
Right. Except for this right here. And obviously they need to have the piece of technology evident in some way, because when you open it, you are left with the electronic device itself. So you'll see you have a couple buttons on there, and things are loading as you open it up. But you will see this in the full review video. We're not going to give too much away for today, but this essentially is the retail packaging as we know it for now.
So for GoodyReader.com and an unboxing of the eOneBook by Progress Technologies, my name is Michael.
This is Peter.
Everybody take care.